Streetlights dimly shine in Maple Alley. Leningradsky is closed for repairs. There's loudly heard Chinese speech, such foreign windbag unknown which. River from people and suitcases flows in long endless stream. Nearby guy stands half drunken, his passion near him is counting how much alcohol he glug inside. For sure, she'll recollect a point painless station and that gloomy day, and her child who stood nearby. Already tears dried up in her eyes. What's necessary uselessly repeats, but he's not sober and his mind missed all her words. He's parasite. Oh, I'd like to become God, at least a little, than just for one trice. This drunken creation to replace, but I can't interfere in his life. It's just such get-together life. Stick your nose in, they'll tear it apart. I go to my train, I've looked enough. The letters follow me in lines. Inside, for sure, she'll recollect a point painless station and that gloomy day, and her child who stood nearby. Already tears dried up in her eyes. What's necessary uselessly repeats, but he's not sober and his mind missed all her words. He's parasite. Oh, I'd like to become God, at least a little, than just for one trice. This drunken creation to replace, but I can't interfere in his life. It's just such get-together life. You stick your nose in, they'll tear it apart. I go to my train, I've looked enough. The letters follow me in line.